of Turkey, ambassadors, directors of ties, colleagues, and friends. As head of the Department for Tourism Promotion in the Embassy of Mexico, I am very honored to be here on behalf of Ambassador José Luis Martínez y Hernández. He apologizes for not being here himself, but we have to visit our Minister of Energy, so he had to be with her. However, I am very happy to be here on his behalf, and I'm also very honored to be the first woman on stage today. I will be very brief because I don't want to be very repetitive, but as most of the speakers before me have mentioned, one of the things that we have learned from this pandemic is that the way forward in the tourism sector is ecotourism and sustainable tourism. Integrating local communities and preserving our environment is not only not at odds with promoting tourism and economic development, but rather an integral part of all of these efforts. As I will share tomorrow in our presentation, Mexico is committed to sustainable development as a new model for tourism in particular, and I will be very happy to share more about all of our new projects. I look forward very much to exchanging ideas, policies, and practices in all of these regards with all of you tomorrow. And I would just like to reiterate my thanks and appreciation for TIES and the TOCAD authorities for promoting and engaging in this important dialogue for us. Thank you very much.